Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with one of my favorite days of the month. It is the Bargain Bead Box. This month it says the theme is A Night in the Woods. It's funny, we keep hearing similar themes throughout the boxes, like throughout a month. So last month there was one, was a walk in the woods. It's a different bead box though. Your beads, are you brave enough to spend a night in the woods? This month's package features a selection of gemstones and crystals in warm campfire colors, plus leafy spacer beads and a variety of owl motifs in antique bronze. Carnelian is our central gemstone with a hand-carved owl pendant, 6mm English cut accent beads, and 8mm faceted rounds. Finely faceted Hessonite garnet, I hope I said that right. Smooth 4mm garnet rounds and 10mm red tiger eye beads complete the collection. That sounds like fun. Every month you get a 30% off coupon if you're a subscriber to their sister store, Bead Box Bargains. I'm gonna set everything out, and if you want to save $2 off your first box, use the coupon code Turquoise at my affiliate link below in the description box. Okay, so this month there are 18 things in the box, and they say the approximate total retail value for the shipment is $75. Let's get started. The first, number one, is approximately 7.5-inch strand of 3mm finely faceted Hessonite garnet rounds. So funny. Just this afternoon, I pulled out some 3mm garnet rounds. They aren't this color. This is more of a brown, orangey color. The ones I pulled out are their traditional garnet color, but I pulled these out and some small garnet rounds, and I think there are some in this box, and put them on my table for the 13 days of Halloween, because I'm planning out everything for that. And it's just so crazy that we got some in this box. These don't match, but they're gorgeous. These are really pretty. I've never seen that color in garnet, and they're so sparkly and tiny, and I love them. Great color for fall. This is definitely a fall box for sure. Number two, approximately a meter of 4x3mm textured steel jewelry chain, lead and nickel free. Number three, 4 pieces, 35.5 by 14mm feather links, lead and cadmium free. These are cool. I like these. Those would be nice for bracelet bars. You can just even like curl them a little bit. You can hang stuff from them. I'm seeing some earrings too. I like that we got 4 of them. Number 4, 10 pieces, 18 by 9mm double-sided owl charms, lead, nickel, cadmium free. So funny. We were just having a huge conversation today during the trick-or-treat class about owls. These are cute. These would be cute painted too. I feel like I need to save this box for November, because I'm focused on Halloween right now, and this is very fall. This one's not marked, but number 5 is a 10-piece strand of 10mm red tiger eye round beads, heat treated. These are very nice. Sorry, I have makeup underneath my nails. These are very nice. Not super red, but they're definitely not the traditional brown tiger eye. Number 6 is approximately 7.5-inch strand of 4mm garnet round beads, dyed. So I pulled out some beads that are garnet but AAA grade today, and these remind me of those. So it's so funny. It's just like I haven't looked at those beads in probably a year or more, and today I pulled them out and these showed up in the mail. It's just so weird how things happen. Number 7, 20-piece strand, 6x5mm crystal faceted lantern beads, slate dark vitriol. These are tiny, and I love them. I love that lantern shape. It's so sparkly. Cool color combo. I'm liking this box a lot, and it's funny because it's not my color palette, but I feel like it's more cohesive than we've actually seen some really cohesive boxes lately, so I'm liking it. Number 9, 20 pieces, 7mm leaf spacer beads, lead, nickel, cadmium free. We've gotten these before, but they're super duper cute. And these would be fun, like faux enameled. Maybe we'll do that. Got a good idea for those coming up. Number 10. Oh, more. 2 detailed owl charms. These are cool. I have a lot of owls, I will tell you that, but I don't have these, and that's saying something. These are really cool. It almost reminds me of tiara cast because they're double-sided, and not double-sided in that like the same design. Like these owls are the same on either side. These are like a clear front and back. Just making me want to paint all of these beads. I don't have time to be painting all these beads, but these are cool. I really like those, and I love that they sent me an owl that I don't have, which is, or hadn't seen. That's even harder. Oh, did I miss number? I missed number 8. Number 8 was a brass magnetic barrel clasp, 16 by 6mm. That's cool. I don't ever remember getting a magnetic clasp from them before. That's really nice. Number 11, approximately, look at what it is. Approximately 13.5-inch strand of 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads, orange AB. So I'll give them a pass. We haven't seen these in a few months, and I know Karen is jonesing for her bicone, so I'm sure she's happy. But these are actually really pretty. I love this color, and I love the AB, so I'm not mad at it. And I feel like a bunch of these stacked up could look like leaves, maybe mixed with these leaves if I end up faux enameling them or painting them. That could be very fun. Number 12 is a 10-piece strand of 12 by 8mm faceted crystal barrel beads, ivory luster. Wow. Look at those. I don't know if you heard me, but I whispered wow because they're so cool. I love them. I like this box. Makes me happy. Oh, you know what? I ended up seeing this today, but I didn't know that it was from this box. It's so funny, like the things that just pop up. Number 13 is a 46 by 38mm round with owl pendant, nickel free. This is cool. And it's funny, I'm glad. I saw somebody making something with this on a live today, and I'm glad I didn't ask them where they got it because I would have been upset that it was spoiled for me, but it wasn't spoiled even though I'd seen it because I didn't know anything else that was in the box. So that is cool. It's got a husk in there from when it was sanded, but that is so neat. I feel like that's gonna get painted. That is so neat. I know I said it like 6 times in a row, but I really like it. And we know I love owls, so that makes me happy. I'm happy. Number 14, 10-piece strand, 13 by 8mm crystal faceted twist beads, light topaz luster. Oh, these are cool. I want more of those. Guys, I have not purchased beads in over a month, and so I haven't gotten beads from their sister site, Bargain Bead Box, or Bead Box Bargains, and it's killing me. It's killing me, but I've been doing it. These are gorgeous, so I'm gonna have to fight when these come out, like the extras come out, that I don't go buy them because these are gorgeous. Ooh, number 15 is good. Approximately 15-inch strand of 8mm faceted carnelian round beads. So even though this isn't my color palette, I love carnelian because it's not like bright red, but even though this isn't my color palette, I'm really, like, I could still tell that these are quality items they're putting in. Certainly good. I don't know that they're worth $75, but they're certainly worth whatever price you're paying, whether you're grandfathered in at a lower price or the current price of the box. This is definitely worth at least what you're paying for that, if not way more. These are so nice. I like these, even if they are, I think these are, yeah, permanently dyed and heat treated. They're still really pretty, and I love carnelian. These are cool. This box was good. It's a very good box. So I know some of you will say I don't like fall colors. Hey, neither do I, but you don't have to use them together. I mean, at some point, probably gonna put some of this carnelian with turquoise. There's no turquoise in this box. All right, number 16, 20-piece strand of 6mm English cut carnelian round beads. Again, these are heated and dyed, but they're still really pretty. I love that cut. This is a really nice box. Good job. Kudos. Number 17, approximately 22mm hand-carved carnelian owl and optional pinch bail. Oh, there is a pinch bail in there. Another owl? This is so cool. The little baby owl. I haven't seen this guy before. Gosh, this is really a cool box. And then there's a tiny pinch bail in there. I probably won't use that, but maybe I will. Who knows? Yeah, actually, maybe I will. This is so cute. And yeah, I know this is hand carved. That's so cool. They're not synthetic. They're actual carnelian. It might be dyed, but still carnelian. And then number 18, a 10-piece strand, approximately 10mm crystal faceted half matte round beads. Love these. I call them orbs. Really cool color. I don't know. Well, I guess it does fit in the color combo or the color family because they're kind of close to these. They kind of stick out a little bit compared to everything else. Is so rustic that I don't know if these gel very well, but I still think they're gorgeous. Okay, my favorite things, these barrels, this owl, because he's so cute. These owls, so 3 of the 4 owls that they sent, and these carnelian beads. All of it is so cool though. So I'm really excited, even though I've said it several times, I don't like fall, but if you do a bead box well, you do a bead box well, and you can use the beads for anything. So I'm very happy with this month. Let me know what your favorite was, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Again, if you want to subscribe, you can save $2 off your first box by using the coupon code Turquoise at the affiliate link in the description. I hope you have a good one. Bye-bye.
Hi, Snuggles. How you doing? You sleeping under your pillow like normal? Hi, cutie butt. Yeah. Look at that little nose. We love you. You're so cute. Hi, cutie.